Today I'm going to show us how you can print many sheets of AutoCAD in one PDF. Assuming you have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, depending on what you're doing, and you feel like you want to print all of them in single PDF. This is a simple way to get it done. Now I have this, which is 5 on this line and 6 on this line, together with this big one, making it 12. I am going to print all of them in single PDF. So it is not just like using layout like in AutoCAD, is in land development, in casting, in civil 3D, where you have different ways you're going to print. But I'm going just to show us a simple way for those who don't really know how to print using layout or print sheets using layout. I'm going to run a quick explanation of how I'm going to do that. So I'm going to print these 12 sheets in single PDF. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial on GIS, AutoCAD, and remote sensing, and then the rest of them. Thank you. So let's take a ride. What I'm going to do is I'm going just to be doing it. I'm not saying anything again until I'm done, but I'm going to explain what I'm going to do. I'm going to create each layout for each of them, and when I'm done, I'm going to select all of them and print it. So let's go. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to layout view. It is in a model view, you can see it here. I'm going to switch to layout view. I finished plotting whatever I need to plot. I'm going to go straight to layout view. So let's take a ride. So with this, I am done with selecting from all of them. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I can go back to the model, and then on model I can say select all layouts here. And when I select all layout, you see all the main layout are selected from main 1, 2 to 11. And then when I'm done, I can right click on main and say here select all main layout. This is where I got this, and like this, select all layout, and you see all layout are being selected, and I can say publish selected layout, and this takes me to here. And in this place I can select how I want it to show. You can add sheets, you can modify 1 or 2 things. This is to save, and you can these are the options you are going to publish it with. So when you are done, these are details. This is publish option, where you select the location of where you want to save it to. And let's say this is I'm going to save it inside a folder, which is going to be
this folder here. So select this folder of your choice and save it in down there. And inside here is the folder I want to save it. I'm going to go a step backward and go down to this, and then select this folder and save it to what? You save it to the PDF, and you know, if you need password, if you need a multi-name.
Then if you need it in 3D, when you're done in document, and click OK. So in here, these are page setup. So the next thing that is necessary is when I'm done here, I can publish it. And you see, this is the setup. If you have a page setup, is the next thing you're going to do is to click on publish, and it will start running. Currently is asking me for, do I want to save it in a particular folder. I'm just going to click OK, and each of these page is going to actually ask me the name. Let's say I want to use name. I'm going to use name 1. Let me use main to summarize all of them. And a file, and then I'll open it. And when I open it, you can see that it is all in single PDF, as you can see. So that is how you can actually create series of sheets in normal AutoCAD and merge them into one single AutoCAD. I still have another way, but I'm going to show us in our next video. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.